Here is a regional map of Washington, this area, Oregon, and parts of California, mainly just Northern California. Here we're going to look at patterns of rainfall. As you can see, it's a lot higher, and the further south that you go, there's less rainfall. To the east, you'll see that there is a lot less rainfall. And we're going to talk about the process that not really creates the rainfall, but prevents the rainfall to the east over here. This is called an effect called rain shadow. This is when the leeward side of the mountains, the coastal mountains over here, block the passage of rain-producing weather, and it casts a shadow of dryness, which is this very dry area that you see over here.